taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Clairmoy, and I am back today with a hair tutorial. Okay, it's really quick, it's really fast, it's really easy, and I really believe that you're gonna love this. Okay, if you have never been to my channel before, welcome. I'm Clairmoy. I make content about hair, makeup, you know, sometimes fashion. I'm trying to get into fashion more, but honestly, I'm on a weight loss journey, and if I buy too many clothes right now, what am I gonna do with them? And honestly, I'm a little bit too, I wouldn't use the word lazy, but I'm not gonna make a Poshmark. I mean, I have a Poshmark, I have things to sell, and I still haven't put it on Poshmark. Anyways,
I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
all right, beauties. So my makeup is done today because the wig that I will be wearing is so simple. It's so easy that you can do your makeup before you apply your wig. As a matter of fact, I would encourage you to apply your makeup before you apply your wig, because this is a curly, I had to burp. I was trying to hold in my burp. But anyways, this is a curly fringe bob wig, and I washed it and I applied some products, not products, I applied a product in it. I used the Cantu Shea Butter for all of my curly wigs, and this is what the wig looks like. You saw it out of the box, so I really made the curls come alive. And let's try on the wig now. This is my first time trying on the wig, y'all. So we don't know what's gonna happen, but we know that we'll be able to hook it up no matter what happens, because you really can't go wrong with a curly wig fringe bob, because you just, it's the perfect protective style if that's what you're going for. You don't have to worry about lace, you don't have to worry about glue, which I never use glue, and you don't have to worry about any hairspray. Plus, I feel like I'm getting a line right here, because every time, this is where my lace goes. I did not know I was like using that much space. But I have a habit, not a habit, but I have to use my hot comb to kind of, you know, fix the lace in the front, and I keep burning my forehead. So I am getting this demarcation right here that I don't really like. So let's take the wig off. Oh, not you, baby. I wanted to remove this comb because I never used that comb. So let me do that. Matter of fact, I would advise companies not to put that comb, but maybe other girls use it, so never mind. But I don't use this comb right here at all. Okay. It also comes with these two strings right here, these two elastic bands that you can use to make your wig tighter. Let's use these two combs that are on the side. I don't need to make the wig tighter. I mean, I can, but it's fine. And then I need my pick and my scissor, because I think I'm also gonna cut some. And let's make it a little bit puffier so it's not so flat. And when you do this, you don't want to run your pick completely through the whole hair. You just want to kind of get on the inside of the hair, so that way you still keep the curls that you want.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
I love this. I love this. So let's just cut a little bit of the bangs in the front, because I don't like when my bangs hang on my lashes because they push my lashes down. Not much. I'm not cutting much at all. I haven't cut anything. I'm trying to see what I should cut. Don't ask me why I'm using this tiny scissor. It's so much more comfortable to hold it in my hand. Be like, let's put on our lipstick, and then I will come back with the final look.
Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just to be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just build.
And this is the final look, y'all. I'm loving the gloss. I'm loving this hair. It is beautiful. I mean, like, stop playing with me. I really don't like how my bra and my titties doing that. But whatever. Because I wasn't planning on wearing this. I was planning on wearing the robe that they send me, because they also send me a really cute robe. You know what? The robe is missing this thing right here, unless I misplace it. But it's missing this little thing that you tie with. But either way, it doesn't fit me. But it is a really cute robe, and I'm really sad because that's what I was going to wear today, which is why I have like a pinkish lip going on. But it is really cute, y'all. I was going to wear that today, but I ended up wearing this. So as I mentioned, this hair is from ISEEHAIR.com. All of their information will be in the description box below. Y'all, I can't complain. I cannot complain. It is absolutely, it's a beautiful unit. As you saw, I didn't do much to it at all besides wash it, and then I applied this product in it that I use on all my curly wigs. It just does what it does. It allows the curls to pop, but it doesn't make it look dry, and it doesn't make the curls get too big. So it will stay this size forever. As a matter of fact, if I hadn't picked it out, it would have stayed that size. It would have kept its wet look. But I decided to pick it out. So yeah, it is really the perfect go-to. It is such a Diana Ross, okay? It is such a Shaka Khan type of look. You know what I'm saying? It's just beautiful, okay? And if you love this unit as much as I do, make sure you leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. And if you appreciate my hair videos as much as I appreciate my hair videos, then please subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and as usual, I will see you all next time.